Okay, so what we have here, we called to a job. The customer wanted to adapt a washlet toilet, which is a toilet with a bidet. They wanted to adapt it to their existing plumbing. So we have existing in-wall system for a back-to-wall toilet. It's hard to match those kind of toilets because they're all usually Japanese or European. So it's hard to adapt to Australian plumbing without major changes. So what we've done, we've managed to find the closest match. And
Which is this one?
Which is this one here. So this is the closest match to the existing drainage in-wall system. And we're just going to add some additional water points and power to it. And we'll put the panel back on and test it at the end. Okay, so what we're doing is installing a secondary water point. So we've got the in-wall system, so that's for the flush of the toilet. And now we're installing another water point, which is just for the bidet seat that's going on the new toilet. So that'll fill that toilet seat. So that'll fill the bidet spray.
So we're just installing the power cable for the new bidet toilet for the plumbers. We've installed a new cable from the nearest power point through the wall cavity.
Awesome.
In the back of the cavity for connection.
Awesome. And that's going to connect to the back of this.
That's correct.
Okay. So now we're just hardwiring the toilet.
Okay, so we've almost finished the installation of the toilet washette. As you can see, we pull the seat up. The light goes on, and there's a night setting on here. So there should be a light that turns on. That's for night time. So if you go through all the prompts in the instructions, it's got rear wash, front wash. You got a fan, you got temperature control. So you can control the temperature of the water. You can make it hotter or colder. There's a fan, so you can turn up the fan speed if you need. There's a deodorizer. You got the night light, and yeah, there's settings for 2 users. So yeah, everything's going well so far. All that's left is a little cleanup and just silicone the toilet.